Welcome to Spark, where you can explore and find CPL events, save events and resources to boards, and share those boards out with friends. Since I'm a first-time user, I'll continue as a guest. On this Explore screen, I see that I can search. There's a fun fact that links me out to the CPL website, and there are a bunch of categories that I can browse. If I select Search, I can enter a keyword and filter by distance, grade level, language, or enter a date frame. I decided to go with categories to browse, and I want to look at crafts and games. Okay, so I can view a list of events by date or near me. If I scroll down, they'll continue to load. I decided to look into Knitting 101. On the event description, there's a map. I can add the event to my calendar or share it. There's an option to Spark and a description and some supplemental materials. I'm curious about Spark, so I tap the hint. The hint explains what Spark is to me, so I go ahead and close that out and try to spark the event. I'm prompted to sign up for an account to do this, so I sign up. I enter my credentials here. Okay, now I'm back at Knitting 101. Let's try to spark again. Now I'm prompted to choose a board. I don't have any created, so let's create a new board. Okay, so here I name my board Crafting Pals. I see that there is a pre-checked box to add Knitting 101 event to the board that I'm about to create. So let's create the board. Great. Confirmation. I see that I can view or edit with the My Spark tab down here. That's great. Okay, so moving down, there's some supplemental materials that I'm interested in. I go ahead and click the top one, and here I get a description of the item. I can check its availability on the CPL website. I can also Spark it, so let's do that. Great, so now I'm prompted to choose a board. My Crafting Pals board is now here, and I select it and add the Spark. Receive a confirmation, and I go ahead and close out. Okay, so now that I've added some items, I'd like to see what boards I have. So I go down to the My Spark tab, and there it is. There's Crafting Pals with 2 items inside. If I click the board itself, I see that I can edit it, I can share it, I can edit items within it. It'll keep track of what I've shared already. That all looks pretty good. So now I'm curious about this profile button, and here I see that I can add a photo. I've got some settings and some info that might be helpful, or I can log out. That is the Spark app.